Tired of those hefty international shipping fees eating into your Pandabuy budget? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Pandabuy points to slash the shipping costs and keep more money in your pocket. Let's get started. First things first, let's check your point balance. Log into your Pandabuy account. Your available points are usually displayed prominently on your account dashboard or in your profile section. You typically earn these points through purchases, participating in Pandabuy events, and completing daily check-ins. Understanding the conversion rate is key. Generally, 100 Pandabuy points equals 1 yuan. But be sure to double-check the current conversion rate on Pandabuy's website or in their help section, as this can sometimes change. Now, let's get to the good stuff. When you're ready to ship your items, proceed to the shipping calculation page. You'll see the estimated shipping cost based on weight, destination, and shipping method. Look for a clearly labeled section, often a checkbox or a field, that allows you to apply your Pandabuy points. It usually says something like use points or redeem points. Select it. A pop-up might appear, or you might see a slider, allowing you to choose how many points you want to redeem. Enter the number of points you want to use, keeping in mind the conversion rate we discussed earlier. You should now see the shipping cost automatically adjusted to reflect the discount from your points. The savings will be clearly displayed. Double-check everything to make sure the discount has been applied correctly. Now, simply confirm your shipping details and complete the checkout process. Congratulations! You've just saved money on your Pandabuy shipping by using your points. So, start accumulating those points and happy shopping! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pandabuy tips and tricks.